Hello everyone and welcome back. We are at episode 4 of the Combat Robotics Brick League. Today is the final call for robots to make an impression on the selection committee before the playoffs. In our first fight we got Munch versus Roadkill. In our second fight we have Junkier versus Payne. Next we got Hurt versus Tugboat. And in the main event we have Biscuit versus Bruin. It's time to fire up the night with our first fight of the day between Munch versus Roadkill. Munch has had a 1-2 record, with 2 losses in close decisions and a dominant knockout on Payne. Munch has been a beast so far, and every fight with him has been a really fun one to watch. He really needs a win here, which would put him at a 500 record, and that gives him a really good spot in the playoffs. On the other side, we have Roadkill, who is doing very poorly, possibly the worst of all the robots. He's been knocked out in all 3 fights he's been in. He cannot go into the playoffs with a loss here. Really needs to get a win here, prove that he can win. Man, each bot's gonna fight hard in this one. They each need this win badly. Both bots tapping the weapon trigger. We have a robot argument here, folks. We got some trash talk between the bots. Here we go! Bots are slow to come out of the squares, eyeing each other. A hit on the side by Roadkill and another. Roadkill off to a good start, but Munch drops the saw right on top of Roadkill. Did Roadkill already stop? This is looking really, really rough for Roadkill. I think Roadkill is guaranteed to be the 8th seed. That was just terrible. Well, Roadkill started off a bit strong, but what do I have to say? Munch just dropped the saw one time and just knocked him out. Very poor performance by Roadkill, but on the contrary, a very strong performance by Munch. Munch is looking really good going into the playoffs, and Roadkill not so much. Your winner by knockout, Munch. With that, we'll proceed to our second fight of the night between the 2 spinners of Junkier and Payne. Payne is also starting the night with a 1-2 record. His lone win was to Roadkill, which, as we just saw, doesn't really mean too much. Payne really needs to show that he could bring the Payne in a victory over Junkier. Junkier has that angled spinner which could actually lift up, which could be very problematic for Payne, as all his electrics are up high next to the spinner. Junkier will have to time his hits, put him in the right spot, and hit those weak points on Payne. Let's see how this one goes. Let's take it to the box. Here we go. Junkier pops out of his square, spins up that weapon. Payne, you can hear his weapon spinning up. Junkier hits himself! He stopped his own spinner, and Payne came in, ripped off that side panel, taking advantage of that big mistake by Junkier. What a hit! Payne just popped up Junkier, and Junkier's still on his back, and his whole left drive chain just fell out. The spinner's ripped out. Junkier is falling apart here. Payne is destroying him, but Junkier is still moving with his left drive side just completely ripped out of the robot, but another big hit there by Payne. Payne with another good hit there. Payne is just destroying Junkier. We've got a countdown going. I think Junkier's done. Junkier really got destroyed that fight. And Payne lives up to his name, bringing up the Payne on Junkier. What a dominant victory for Payne. Junkier lost in that first couple seconds when he hit himself. That mistake gave Payne the opening to rip off that right side. And then he came in, hit him up hard, and then that side fell out. Payne just continued to bring out the pain and destroyed Junkier from then, tearing him apart piece by piece by piece. And the winner by knockout, Payne. That was an explosive fight, but now we take it to our third match between the Wild Hurt versus Tugboat. Hurt is looking really good so far. He's at a 2-1 record, that one loss being a very poor loss to Biscuit Head that only lasted 10 seconds. But those 2 victories, including a dominant victory over Roadkill and a nice fought-out decision win over Munch. On the other side of the fight, we got Tugboat! We all love Tugboat. Tugboat's got that amazing horizontal spinner up front, that marvelous boat along the journey, and just that Tugboat feeling that we all have for him. Tugboat is the one and only guest entry, doing so good at a 2-1 record. That one loss against Biscuit Head we don't speak about. Let's see how Tugboat does against another 2-1 robot in Hurt. Time to take it over to the box. What is this? We got a whole-on Navy over there by Tugboat. He's got like, what is that? 3, 4 boats? That's 5 boats right there on the back of Tugboat. And as he crashes into the wall in the beginning, Hurt starts tearing up the Navy. Oh, he just ripped the whole chain of boats out. There they go. Oh, but there's one left on Tugboat. I think Hurt's weapon is down. I think that Hurt's weapon is down. The Navy has taken fire on Hurt's weapon, and Hurt's weapon is officially down. Tugboat with a hit on the side. Hurt caught up on the boats. The boats are winning the fight here for Tugboat. The boats are the MVP so far, 30 seconds into this fight. You can hear the motor trying to turn the weapon on Hurt's spinner, but it must be jammed somehow. Tugboat with another good hit on the front. Hurt shoving back Tugboat, being aggressive even without the weapon, trying to shove him up into the wall. Just pin him. As Tugboat comes in, gets another hit on that wheel. If Tugboat can take out one wheel, this fight is over, especially because Hurt can't gyro at this point now that his weapon's down. Another impact there. Tugboat running into Hurt as Hurt pushes back. Hurt is at the back of Tugboat, shoving him around. Tugboat spins up. Never hit. Weapon isn't really doing so well this fight on Tugboat, but the boats are what did it for him so far. Hits the side again. Never hit by Tugboat. Tugboat shoves Payne. From the back. Hurt pushing Tugboat. We got a spin dance there. Hurt pinning Tugboat. Some spins there. Tugboat pushes back Hurt. This is really coming down to driving at this point. We are at 10 seconds left on the fight. Let's see if anyone could leave one final impression to the judges before we hit the final bell. Tugboat spinning around, trying to find Hurt. And a little impact there to finish off. What a great fight. How about that to start it off? The Navy destroying Hurt's weapon. After that impact, it was a push fight the whole way through, which looked pretty even for the most part. Each bot shoved over back and forth, pinned him back and forth. Really close push fight there. And the winner, by a unanimous judges' decision, Tugboat! Tugboat proceeds to a 3-1 record as we take it to our main event between Biscuit Head and Bruin. This is just promised to be a great fight, as both of these robots are undefeated, each being dominant in their free victories so far. Biscuit Head taking 2 of the 3 opponents out of the box. Although he couldn't get Tugboat out of the box, he still took the victory there. Biscuit Head has just been controlling every single fight. No bot has had any point of offensive on him so far. But now we head on over to the wannabe king of kinetic energy, Bruin. Bruin's got that overhead spinner that we have seen to be very powerful, destroying Payne, destroying Junkier, and shredding right through Munch in a great fight. Bruin has been so deadly. Biscuit Head has been so aggressive. Let's see how this one plays out. Let's take it to the box for our final fight of the regular season. The winner of this fight will pick up the #1 seed. Biscuit Head with a box rush right on Bruin. Bruin can't spin up. Biscuit Head right on Bruin. Great driving right out of the gate from Biscuit Head. Missed flip by Biscuit Head. Biscuit Head on Bruin again. Bruin finally able to spin up. Big hit! That whole top right side of Biscuit Head just flew off. And Bruin shoves Biscuit Head back into the wall. Bruin spins up again. That wheel just hit the camera stand. Bruin just ripped off the wheel and threw it into the camera. Another big hit by Bruin. The top armor bending off. Bruin. Oh, Bruin just ripped off the flipping arm. Oh man, Biscuit Head has no weapon. Biscuit Head so defenseless. And Bruin's weapon seems to be slowing down too. Will this go to a push fight too? Bruin shoves Biscuit Head into the wall. Biscuit Head being so aggressive even without half the robot. Bruin shoves Biscuit Head back into the wall. Back and forth fight here. Bruin, is he stopping? Did Biscuit Head come back? Oh no, Bruin's back. Bruin is back and running. Biscuit Head still shoving Bruin. Pinning Bruin into the wall. Bruin finally spins up. Whoa, he ripped that piece off. That thing flew like a missile. Probably put a huge dent in that wall. And another big hit by Bruin. Bruin caught on the arena wall. Is he stuck? No, he gets off. Bruin shoving Biscuit Head. Bruin spins up. Light little hit on Biscuit Head. And another. Back and forth. Biscuit Head pins Bruin. And that will be the fight. Crazy fight as we will take this one to the judges. Hey boys, the fight's already over. Calm down. Biscuit Head started that fight all over Bruin, starting off with an excellent box rush. Bruin was really not able to spin up to start off that fight until he was fortunate enough to get caught on top of Biscuit Head, and when he drove off, he ripped off that side of Biscuit Head's top armor and took the lead from there, ripping off the wheel, ripping off the flipper, and the winner by unanimous judge decision, Bruin. That concludes tonight's fights, but before you leave, it's time to reveal the tournament seedings. Remember, every single bot has qualified as we only have 8 competitors this season, but in our first seed we have the one and only 4-0 undefeated robot in Bruin. Next up, for the second seed, we have a 3-in-1 robot that performed absolutely incredibly in this season. Let's hear it for Tugboat! Our third seed, also at a 3-in-1 record, is Biscuit Head. Next up, we have a 2-in-2 robot who performed very well in the regular season. Let's hear it for Munch. Our next 4 seeds are as followed. Our 5th seed being Payne. 6th seed in Hurt. 7th seed, Junkier. And our 8th seed, Roadkill. Wah wah. See you next time in episode 5 of the Combat Robotics Brick League. Thank you for watching.